Guys, what the F is up? Check this out before we start this video. Here's a clip of the list of mods and stuff that's done to this gorgeous, freshly detailed 2013 Duramax, and a picture of my best friend, Jeff Hughes, that we're gonna blackmail the shit out of throughout the next 6 weeks, or 6 months. Check it out.
The rocket train, the bomb busting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say.
And hope you got a good study of that picture of the list of mods and stuff. It might be slightly off because when I first got it, I did some stuff to it. And here we go from that point forward. And the picture of my buddy, his name is Jeff. His full name is Jeffrey Clayton Hughes. It's H-U-G-H-E-S. Anything you think that we could blackmail him anyway, anyhow, I'm gonna be giving out his address soon, his social security number, date of birth, last 3 digits, 3-digit CVC code, billing zip code of his credit cards and everything. So you've probably seen a few of the videos here on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys like it, subscribe. And you've probably seen him before, but now it's time to boil down to the crazy hardcore shit. So anyways, without further ado, here is a picture of Jeff Hughes' baby picture. Check it out. And on with the truck. Here we go. It's 2013 Chevrolet Silverado LT Duramax with an Allison transmission, 6.6 engine. Kick-ass truck. It's got a brand new set of 371350 Atturo blades on here. Yeah, Atturo blades, I said that right. With a set of 20 by 12 Moto Metal 970s, I want to say it is. This truck has a FASS fuel system. It's got EFI Live. It's got an exhaust, 4-inch turbo back exhaust with muffler. And I believe the cat's still on it and whatnot. It's got, what else? 5-position tuner switch on it. It's got backup camera. It's got front and rear Go Rhino bumpers. It has, you're missing your D-rings, so buy a set of $10 fucking D-rings, whatever you want to do. This truck sounds cool as shit. It's clean as hell inside and out. It's got WeatherTech floor mats. It's lifted perfectly. So the front bumper is going to add a lot of clearance to the big tires and stuff like that. It's also got a BDS suspension lift on it, so it has no problem clearing at all, no rubbing whatsoever, front, back, side to side. Hope you guys like this truck. Let's check it out. Sorry, I've been slacking for a while. God damn it. Every time I do my fucking videos, there's always somebody interrupting my shit. The old guy on the friggin' mower. Dude on a goddamn mower. Can you friggin' wait like 3 seconds, dude? Son of a niche bigger. Anyways, I'm not racist, guys. I just say a lot of crazy, fun, stupid shit. I have my mom's black and my dad's black. So I love everybody, Chinese, Spanish, black, whoever you want. So I say some crazy shit, but excuse my language. It's all good in the hood. This truck is super nice inside and out. Just got undercoated by 4 Seasons Detailing of Fredericksburg, Virginia. BDS shocks 2.0, Fox shocks. No rust on this truck at all. That's undercoating for those of you who don't know. So if you want to come here and prove it, I'll prove it to you. I can scrape that frame right the hell off and show you as clear as day. See the profile? Anthony, I'm about 6 foot tall. Check it out, brother. Here I am with the truck. So there it is. Check it out. Super, super nice truck. Nothing's done under the hood besides a fresh oil change. Change the fuel filters and whatnot. Super shiny. VIN number. Truck has 94,000 miles on it, guys. Super friggin' nice truck. Super, 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 super dupe. Ready? Oh yeah! Alpine. Let the Alpine play. My Ninja. Backup camera. Oh yeah! This is one of the best aftermarket backup cameras I've ever seen in my life. It's really, really nice and clear. It almost looks factory. Sweating my balls off right now. Fuck, it's hot out. Bluetooth. The shit I do for you guys, I'll tell you. Exhaust brake right here. Big, big help when you're towing. Burnout button if you want to fucking break loose and get crazy. Hit that button, do some burnouts and shit. 4-wheel drive. Your tuner switches right here. 5-position tune. Boom 1, boom 5. Super nice truck, no sunroof. WeatherTech floor mats. Super clean, guys. Let's check this shit out. Ready? pop you up under the hood. Here's the underneath of it. Super clean, guys, super clean. There's your fuel filters right there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Super freaking clean. It's like eating off of your grandmother's asshole. Check this out. It's super nice, guys. I hope you guys like this truck. It's got a, what do you call it? A side strips and the bug shield as well too. If you guys want to keep that gay shit on there, be my guest. I like it. I like it a lot. So here's the engine. Sounds quiet as a whistle. Fluids are all changed up to date. Batteries are good. Pills are good. Eat up. Pills are good. Pills are good. Dumb and Dumber. Hope you guys recognize that one. Anyways, this is Mark signing out. Hope you guys like this truck. I'm gonna rev it up and do a little burnout real quick. Show you guys. I'm gonna try to do a burnout at least. Let's just see how it sounds. This guy's getting dust everywhere. Fucking whore. Fucking old man. Yeah, here you go, guys. Check this out. Hope you guys like how this sounds. Ready? Right. Rate him a week. On Ninja. Oh yeah, it's like crazy shit. Kick-ass truck. Hope you guys like the video. I just did burnout to burnout to burnout. Peace out. This is Mark signing out. Subscribe, guys. I'm gonna do some crazy shit. And Jeff Hughes, you're on the blacklist, baby.